What's happening, YouTubers? Back with another video / review. Gonna be unboxing my hookah. So let's not dilly around. Let's get into the box. So as you can see, I've already taken off the tape because I can't do that with one hand because I've got to hold my phone. Yeah, I do apologise about the quality. I don't actually have a video camera, only my phone. But anyway, so got the vase. Nice red vase. Red is my favourite colour, so just here. So you got the stem, which is there. You've got the tongs with a little poker and the tray. I will get all these out of the packaging. Got the bowl. That's where the shisha goes. Hose, extra long hose. A lot of people like the extra long hoses. These are washable. I highly recommend you get washable hoses. 2 of those, because I've got a twin top, which you'll see on the shaft in a second. And there she is, the shaft. Look at that. And there's that one and that one. Again, I'll show you that in a second. I think that's everything out of the box. Yeah, I think that's everything out of the box. So get these unpackaged and show you everything up close. Everything out of the packaging there. Hose is there, you get a closer look. Got a lot of woody effects, but also red, which is nice. Get everything you need in there. See the tongs, a bit. Tray, red bars. And the bowl, when you put your shisha, molasses, or what you can get now, steam stones. So I'll get it all together, see how it looks, give it a whirl. Some herbal molasses there, different flavours, 5 different flavours, and obviously your charcoal. And then next, we'll see it all set up and in use. The hookah in full force. Little coal burning on the top there. Lovely jubbly. Give it a whirl. So that's the hookah all set up. We'll gonna jump over and see how it performs. I will leave a link in the description of where I got it, all my molasses and the charcoal. So check that in the description. And let's see how it performs. Not a lot of smoke. Pretty good flavour. Got red cherry in there at the moment. Bearing in mind this is my first time setting up hookah, using it, so I don't think I've done too bad, to be fair. But yeah, I'm going to end the video there. If you liked it, then subscribe, tap the notification bell to keep up to date on all the new videos. If you want to see this, how it was set up, let me know in the comments, I can do that. But thanks for watching, guys. Cheers for all the support. And yeah, can enjoy my hookah. Peace out.